Welcome to my channel and to this super creepy ventriloquist dummy makeup tutorial. And if you are new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here. Click the fat red button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. By the way, this makeup is part of my 31 days of Halloween makeups, so come back tomorrow for another one and check out my previous ones. I don't know what to say except it's awesome, I love it, and I don't even recognize myself. I went to see my grandma with this makeup on and she was hiding her face like this, like, I don't see you. I don't care that you're wearing a bow tie, I will not see you. She was so adorable. But I mean, it is a freaky, creepy makeup, right? I love it. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to let you watch the tutorial and I will see you at the end. I hope you had fun watching this tutorial. I had a lot of fun turning into this creepy doll. I can barely look at myself actually, although it's really fun. The result is super creepy and super fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Halloween makeup. Bye!